Hello, my name is Owen and I'm the creator of KickFit. Our overview of KickFit is an exercise program that is more exciting than anything else currently in the fitness industry, and that's because we are using kickboxing as a form of general fitness. Our big idea is unconventional fitness. We understand that we are a new approach to exercise, but you will not be able to find it anywhere else. When people normally think about fitness, they think about going to a gym like Planet Fitness or Powerhouse and running on the treadmill for 30 minutes or lifting some weights. That's not our approach. We understand that it's different and kind of unconventional. Our target audience, the people we want coming to our facility, we're looking for people ages 25 to 50 who are looking for a fitness option before or after work, and or people who are currently bored with the fitness routine that they currently have. Running on a treadmill for 30 minutes is not for everybody, so we want to seek those people who are currently bored with their fitness option and get them competing and working with our facility as a more motivational, high energy, fun way to exercise. Our goals and KPIs, our primary goal, we're looking to make personal connections to our customers through our online presence and to get them more comfortable with our brand and our mission. And we're going to do that by looking to get 10 new potential customers every month. And a new potential customer, we're going to deem it as somebody we have a meaningful interaction with, such as a comment or a direct message. We really want people to get comfortable with our brand and comfortable coming to our facility. Our secondary goals are going to be increasing membership totals and increasing brand awareness, which we will look to accomplish by getting 15 people every month to sign up as a member for the first 6 months and to get 50 likes on our social media posts for the first 3 months. We really want to spread the word about what we're doing, so having interactions on our social media posts will be crucial for that. With our social media strategy, our primary goal is going to be to educate people. We understand that we are different than anything else in the fitness industry right now, which is why it's going to be really important to prove ourselves as a legitimate organization to our potential customers. We're going to try to seek out interaction and comments and look for post shares because the word of mouth is going to be the best way we feel to spread our message to people and to get them familiar with our brand, since it's so easy to scroll past posts on social media. We really want it to come up multiple times and have it in front of our user eyes multiple times. With our paid ad strategy, we're going to target customers that are currently out of our network, meaning that they're not affiliated with any current member but are interested in exercise. We're going to use our target audience characteristics for this, so the people 25 to 50 before or after work and who are bored with their fitness routine. And we're going to target these people with some high energy advertisements, something really eye-popping that's going to get people to want to click through to our website and our social media pages to learn more about us. And we're going to try to direct people to our website because that's going to have the most information, as well as our social media pages. With our inbound strategy, the goal in the end is to get people to want to come to our facility and actually try a kickboxing class for themselves. So in order to be effective at inbound, we're going to really try to collect personal contact information in exchange for a quality content offer. The content offers that KickFit is currently providing is a weight loss tip sheet and a weight loss calculator. In exchange to use both of those services, we're going to require the person to give us an email address, and therefore we can send them offers and content into their email inbox to get them more familiar with our brand and what we're doing. For our sample content that we're looking to put out a weight loss short advertisement, a changing fitness location short advertisement, and a punching the heavy bag still picture. With our weight loss short advertisement, we're going to have the advertisement say, "Are you interested in losing weight? Have you ever tried kickboxing?" And so we're going to get people hooked on the idea that they can kickbox to lose weight. With our changing fitness locations, we're going to get them hooked on the idea that they can change out their fitness option. They don't have to have their only fitness option be running on the treadmill. And our punching the heavy bag picture is going to show kind of a first look at what happens within our facility during a class. With our campaign budget breakdown, we have $30,000 a year, but we're going to have fund reallocation at the midpoint of the year. More money will be put towards successful platforms since we feel that as a necessary thing being a startup, we want to use our funds to the most optimal fashion. In summary, we're revolutionizing the fitness industry with a new, fun, and exciting exercise routine. It's open to all skill levels, and the primary way that we're going to succeed is educating and creating brand awareness. Thank you.